Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to check if computer has Bluetooth or not in Windows 11 operating system. First of all, just go to the start and type device manager and just click on the device manager. In device manager, we find many hardwares in alphabetical order. In B, we find Bluetooth. If you not find Bluetooth, then your machine has not a Bluetooth. Then the option is purchase it from the any website. You can find good Bluetooth less than a $10. Just go to the any website and just type Bluetooth for PC and just go to the shopping and purchase your Bluetooth. Then just plug into your PC and your Bluetooth is on your PC. This is the very simple option of the Bluetooth. So guys, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.